These would be perfect for a wedding. Just picture a centerpiece with some floral around the base, especially this little gold. These are fairly large too. They're not tiny. Really pretty. Or if you're more into like the cement, look at these. And you can put a few of them together. So nice. These are heavy and they're large. I don't want to move them around too much because then they topple over, but they're quite a nice size. Oh, some other things that you can incorporate into some wedding decor. Beautiful. Dollar Tree just keeps coming up with more great things. Quick sneak peek here through the recollections items that are kind of lingering still. And I'm not sure if your store carries them. If they do, let me know down below. And if they don't, I'd love to hear that as well. But I've been lucky at some of my stores to find this is the Michaels line, so some awesome things. This is the kind of like nail aisle, nail polish, and some makeup. Not all the makeup is in this one aisle, but you will see some things. There's like the face masks, pumice stones, and then there's a whole aisle in behind of toiletries. They have some new makeup cases or toiletry bags. Oh, this base top, I think that's a newer thing. That's pretty much it for makeup down this area here, and some more nail polishes. These little headbands that are made for a baby, or little head wraps, they're perfect for dolls as well. Oh, I haven't seen the white yarn. I think this is the first time I'm finding it. It's Dove, but they have a variety now, so cocoa butter and coconut. Does anyone have a favorite hand soap or a recommended hand soap that works nicely? And then there's some more Dove down here. The original is also there. Sometimes they have really great towels or hand towels, but I don't see any of the ones that I would prefer to purchase. This is a new shower curtain print. I wonder if you can do a DIY with that. The white and blue prints are really in this year. The baby aisle is really nice and organized, and you can see here that they have some brand name things, Huggies and Johnson & Johnson, and along the top, no baby bottles. Pretty much their standard Baby's Choice line. Sometimes they have, some more brand name things. You do get lucky finding stuff. Great again for playtime too, not just for a real baby, but if you have kids that are into playing make-believe with dolls and stuff, you can always browse through here and find something, reasonably priced, and great little items to play with. Some fix items. Oh, Imodium. I've never seen this in store, so this is a newer thing, which is awesome for those who need it. You can get it at a reasonable price here. And that's about it for here. I was just walking around this end cap here, and these caught my attention. So these are a little bit newer. They're glittery on the end, And then again, they have some more of these beautiful candle holders, which I think would be amazing for, you know, a wedding decor. And then they have some more of these signs. I think I might buy one because it's just, maybe even using the back. I was thinking about it as I was walking. I was going to go back to the home decor aisle, but I think I'm going to grab one of those. So ever since I found the Tana line here, they have normally these at Dollar Tree as well. I purchased them and absolutely love them. You guys hear me talking about these acrylic organizers, not only used for your makeup stuff, but definitely in your craft spaces. I'm a huge fan of these. They are dividers with a lid, and then they have sometimes a cube one with a lid that's stackable as well. If you ever seen my craft room tour, I share with you how I organize a lot of my trinkets. These are so cute, even to wrap around a journal and use like as a wrap, a journal wrap. I think these are new, aren't they? So sweet. So cute for little hair bows. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they have these rubber bracelets now. These are new as well. The jelly. You could, if you have to use a key at work and you need to wrap the little key on you, you can use that as a wristband. Oh, they have some of the Garnier Fructis here and the Salon Selectives dry shampoo. If anyone has tried this, let me know if you like it. I was actually going to look for another white cutting board, but I don't see any here. Looks like I have some of those small glass ones, but I actually really like their plastic one. And I always take a peek and see if there's a new gadget or accessory for the kitchen. I'm sure I'm not alone when it comes to that stuff. I'm also on the lookout for the new fall tea towels, and they're the 100% cotton. Oh, just like this. No, these are the flower sacks. I think that, yeah, they're not microfiber. Oh, I think they're like this. Yes, they're like this, and they'll have a print on them, and they have a little blue truck. These are cute too, aren't they? Lots of new treats. I know some of you have recommended these Tim Tams. Some of you said to drink it and suck the coffee through it. How do you do that? They have some of the new plates here. Such a pretty print. Do you like the older, this one here, or the new print? Oh, here's some small dishware as well to go with the line. I'm not sure. I think the nice deep purple is, deep blue is really pretty. Aren't these just gorgeous? Are these new mugs in your store? I haven't seen these anywhere else. And I think the towels match this little blue truck print. Oh my gosh, be kind. That is just so sweet. They're all perfect. I was thinking of heading down the organization aisle, but before we go there, there's an end cap here that's filled with some goodies. Oh, I haven't seen these frames anywhere else. These would be perfect to make a little lantern? Yeah. These are new as well. If you're into the farmhouse decor, you can easily paint those and use them as accent pieces. And they have some newer stickers. Almost reminds me of the Maggie Holmes collection. Oh, these are cute. You can use them as like a little wine bag when you're gifting a bottle of wine. You can make it look a little fancier and then even tie some twine around the neck. These are still here. I thought they would have sold out really quick. Okay, let's go down the food aisle and see if there's anything new and fun here. I shouldn't say really fun, but you know what I mean. A good buy, because it's always nice to save money. I'm going to grab some more of these because I like making the protein balls, and these are really expensive everywhere else. Oh, I got tricked here. I almost thought these were cherries, but that's cranberry filling. So anyways, I haven't seen the cherry filling in forever. Nothing really new in the baking aisle. I thought they would have some fall sprinkles or something like that. That would be fun. Oh, Heinz. And it's mayonnaise, and I prefer mayonnaise over other things, so I've never tried the Seriously Good though. Pretty well stocked for organization bins. Just I don't see anything that's super new right now. Maybe in the next few weeks we might get some new fall things. I'm not sure. Go run down this way here. I wanted to take a peek in, I guess, the hardware department. I'm not sure, but there's some Armor All, and I love this brand, so I always like to see what's new. Sometimes they have like full-size things. Oh, has anyone tried these? I like the little ones that clip into the vents. Does that have a nice throw? Do you have a favorite from here? Wow, they have backpacks this year. I know they're small and thin, but they'd be good for like if you have swimming lessons or something that just needs a few items to be thrown. And look, so there's the fall stuff starting to make an appearance. Here's a quick little glimpse at them. Okay, so when I came into the Dollar Tree, I filmed in here for a while, and so I broke up the video into two parts, and this was in the part one of this walkthrough, and I had way more things that I shared with you as well in that video. So if you want to go back, I will link it in the description down below, so then you have this part one to watch, and then yeah, and then you're all caught up at this store. So until next time, everyone, I just want to say thank you so very much for watching. If you like videos like these, maybe hit the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I post. I'm always pretty recent with my shop with me's and letting you guys know what's new and the latest finds at Dollar Tree. So I hope it helps when it comes to your shopping list. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.